morning everyone, welcome to the Philippines. Today we are going to explore 100 Island. Right now it's almost like 6:15. The sun is rising over there. Look how beautiful it is. Still I have to go another 80 kilometers this way. It's going to be a long journey. Look at the place. Seriously, it's beautiful. It is going to be a fantastic road trip. Let's do it. Yeah. I just came here 8 o'clock. I'm still waiting for the Giant's tour, but unfortunately, Giant's tour a little bit hard over here to join with anybody. Looks like I'm going to do the private tour, so that's the situation. So, as you can see, this is the landmark. Look at it. Beautiful. Let's have some breakfast first before go to the island. But the climate is very good so far, so I don't want to waste the time. Let's see what's the food is available over here. The sun is beaming on my face right now. Wow, that's closed. Wow, I don't know whether they open or not right now. It's closed. It's closed. Closed? Okay. So right now it's like 9:10. I'm waiting for the group tour. It's not going to happening. But now I have to pay for the full price. So it's going to be like around 2,000 pesos. But that is a good thing. I can stop wherever I want. At the same time, I can go wherever I want also. The time is on my hand. Since the climate is too good, I don't want to waste any more time. Just do it. Hello.
This is my counter.
Okay, sure. I will come back for this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello. Hello, po. I want to do solo tour, no guide. So this is the place. It looks so beautiful and clean. They have a lot of information over here.
Hi,
And-
Walter. Hi.
Hi. Look at the place. A lot of paintings also over here. What is this place? Painting?
Those are for sale, sir.
Oh, sales. Okay.
Yes, created by students.
It's painted by two students.
Yes, students. So all the income will be put under education.
Good thing. For everything for the noble cause.
Got the pictures here.
It is a video. It's all going to be video recorded.
My mom.
You can do whatever you want to do. but the garbage fee for 200 pesos refundable. The boat you can use until 5 o'clock over there. If I want to come back early, I can do that also. So that's a good news. Nothing. You're good. Okay. Counter one. Okay. So unfortunately, the power just gone out. Good morning. On to number one. So I'm doing solar tour. Step 3 is going to be boat assessment. So already I have the registration. So we are doing registration for the boat right now. Because without the vest you cannot jump, right?
Yeah.
So
You need the life vest.
the life vest, yes.
50 pesos.
Yeah, that's okay. You pay here.
Yeah.
Pay here. I pay 50 pesos for the life vest. Then only I can do the cliff jump over there.
Yeah.
There's a cave jump is over there. Step 4 and 5, dispatching and boarding. Yeah, hello. Here.
Precious.
So many steps, but it's quite really nicely organized. That's the one better thing. So our boat captain is over here right now. He's the one going to guide me and go everywhere. Okay. So no pressure today because I'm doing solo. Nobody gonna do anything about it. I can do whatever I want. I have a lot of time in my hand until 5 o'clock. So not a big deal right now. Wow. It's gonna be a little bit challenging over here right now. So, getting in the boat. Okay. Wow. Whew. Wow. It's very thrilling. Seriously, it is thrilling. Right now the time is 9:31. I'm leaving the boat. We are on the way. Okay. now the time almost like 10 o'clock. We are here. There's a pilgrimage island there. Ramos? What about this one?
Sandal Island.
Okay. So I'll go first over there, come back.
Oh yes.
I'll go for it. Okay. The wind is a little bit more high. I guess you can hear me. First we are going to Pilgrimage Island. It is a famous Jesus Christ statue over there. You can see that. For that island, probably 200-meter walk. Wow, look. Even though it is like a water hanging bridge, really wobbly and wavy. Seriously. I can tell you, this is not for everyone. Not everybody can do the better job in walking at this. Hello, Bo! Okay. Wow. Fast passing, a little bit tough. Alright. It took almost like 1 minute to reach over here because of the little bit wobbly walk over there. Sorry. Unfortunately, the shortcut route, it is right now is broken. Look at that. So I had to go all the way this side, then take up, hike up, then go down, then again hike up. That's the situation. Before you go, you just take a look about the Mama Mary statue. Beautiful, look at that.